Good morning. Spend my day off with me. First, I'm gonna get ready. Alright, now I'm gonna pick out an outfit. This is what I'm gonna be wearing. $14. Maybe eating in my car isn't the best idea. That burrito did not disappoint. It was very yummy. Now for my least favorite part of the day. I gotta get gas. I forgot to record me going to Ulta. I bought a small dry shampoo, some heat protector, some lip liners. You're lying. Also got some black liner, some sunscreen, and a new face wash. And the one thing I literally went to Ulta for, they didn't even have. All that shopping and spending money got me tired, so now I'm gonna take a nap and then I'm gonna go to the gym. It's time for the gym now. I finished eating my leftover burrito and a peanut butter sandwich. Here is the outfit. And I'm gonna hit quads and abs because you always gotta hit abs. Like, don't tell me I don't see them. Alrighty, I'm gonna end the video up here. Thank you for watching. Good night.